This is how the MU key on a calculator works. Instruction leaflets are often quite vague about how to use the MU function on a calculator. Depending on which calculator you use, there could be two different keystroke sequences to get the same result. The MU key calculates the gross profit margin. MU stands for markup, but it doesn't directly calculate that using the MU key. Here's an illustration. Imagine that I'm a trader. I know what I bought something for, and I know the profit margin that I want. But what should my selling price be? The MU key answers this question. Here's an example. I buy an item for £48. I want a 20% profit margin. What should my selling price be? So here's my keystroke sequence on a Casio MX8B. 48 MU 20% and the display reads 60. 20% of 60 is 12. That is my profit margin. The markup is 25%. Markup is not the same as margin. Some calculators have a different keystroke sequence for the same calculation. Here is an unbranded calculator. Same calculation, 48 divide 20 MU, and the display again reads 60. So same result from two different operating systems, but we got to it two slightly different ways. Here's the actual maths that's going on using the numbers from my example. The MU key works out X for you. X, sell price, minus the buy price over X gives a 20% profit margin. This is markup, sell price minus a buy price over the buy price. And this is margin, it's different. Sell price minus the buy price divided by the sell price.